right, you guys ready for a battle? Here to give me a hard time from the Chew, Daphne Oz, and actress and cookbook author, Laura Prepon.
Going down, Bobby.
Two gangsters. Laura,
Yes, Bobby.
it's your first time here.
I know.
We know you from that 70s show, Orange is the New Black, but only the people that really know you understand that you're a huge foodie.
Oh, yeah, big time. I grew up in the kitchen. My mother was a gourmet chef.
And you have a book out now.
I do. It's called The Stash Plan. It's about cooking with very limited time, teaching people you don't have to be a professional chef to be able to cook for your friends and yourself and your family.
And love it.
And love it.
So Laura, you're also gluten-free.
Which is why the first round is actually gluten-free, because I have celiacs and I can't have gluten.
Okay. Well, you know, we put you with an old veteran.
Oh, shoot, I'm 30 now, I'm old.
This is fantastic.
Yeah. Who do you got tonight?
We brought some competitors who you've trained. You know, you're a great teacher, Bobby.
And we're going to use that against you.
She spent 7 years at 5 of your restaurants. Executive chef and restaurant owner, Leia Gaccione. I'm coming for you.
Sounds like you brought all of Jersey with you.
Of course I
Our next contender is here to show her former boss who's really in charge. Please welcome executive chef and restaurateur, Einat Admony.
This one's gonna be fun. Leia, Einat, I can tell you're a little nervous.
I came to kick your butt, Flay.
That's all well and good. However, you first must go through each other. I'm gonna give you guys 20 minutes and a single ingredient of my choice. You must make it the star of your dish. And that ingredient is filet mignon.
I love filet mignon because I know I can put my flavor into it.
You have the additional challenge of making this dish gluten-free because Laura is gluten-free.
A lot of the dishes at my restaurant don't have gluten in them, so this is working in my favor.
These ladies behind me will decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. Don't forget, it's gotta be gluten-free.
Let's get a winner.
This is very nice of you to give them
It's a generous ingredient.
tenderloin.
I am making a dry wrapped grilled filet mignon with mushroom, potato latke, and pickled chilies.
I am making a filet tartare with grainy mustard vinaigrette and crispy fingerling potatoes. Oh, hey, girl.
What are you doing, tartare? What's
I
happening?
am doing a steak tartare. I'm doing capers, cornichon, shallots.
Yes! Cornichon is like the clutch.
Classic.
It's so good. I like what I see over here.
Coming to help me?
Yeah, can I help you? Put me to work, yeah. Are you gonna do like a hash browns underneath
Kind
it?
of, almost like a latke.
Beautiful. And I love you're leaving the skin on, waste no time.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I'm adding rice flour. Usually it's regular flour.
You're not even missing gluten.
You don't need gluten here.
Bobby should be quaking in his boots.
So Daphne and I are here to find out which one of you guys can beat Bobby.
And it's all gonna come down to the filet mignon and what you did to make it the star.
Chef Einat, please tell us what you made.
So I made today a dry wrapped grilled filet with mushroom and pickled chilies.
I eat with my hands, so I'm just gonna pick it up.
Chef Einat, the meat itself is cooked perfectly, and the mushrooms underneath act as like a continuation of the meat. That said, the fringes of the latke are perfect, and then the inside gets a little mushy.
I agree, for me, I think I would have liked them to be a little flatter, but I love the herbs and dry rub. It's a beautiful dish, thank you.
Chef Leia, please tell us what you made.
I made filet tartare with a grainy mustard vinaigrette and crispy fingerling potato chips.
Leia, there is so much to love on this plate. The cuts on the meat, perfect. The scallions, the shallot, perfect. I was just like digging through here. I might be missing it. Did the cornichon not make it?
No.
You do miss that acid and that little bit of sweetness, but it is still very tasty.
I didn't miss that there wasn't a cornichon in it, but I don't have the palate that Daphne does.
You do, you're a professional eater.
Okay, fine,
That's all
professional
that's-
eater. I thought it was really light. All the flavors really worked well. So clearly it's gonna be a really tough decision.
I'm like still so bummed out about the cornichon. I totally blew it.
The chef who will be moving on to Beat Bobby Flay will be Chef Leia.
Of course I wanted to win and have my redemption, but losing to Leia, it's not the worth it.
Thank you.
She will destroy him.
We feel like you cannot be faulted for the cornichon because you still put together a truly spectacular dish.
It's all of Jersey against Bobby.
All right, Leia, congratulations. What's your signature dish for tonight?
My signature dish is pork chops and applesauce. We've done it in a couple of your restaurants. I could already see in your brain where you're gonna go with it.
You don't have to worry about me, you have to worry about you.
I'm not worried about me.
For fairness, we'll be bringing in 3 industry experts for a blind taste test.
And your 45 minutes starts now.
Where's the salt?
He's a mess. He can't find his salt. He's nervous.
Where?
Right here.
You left it up here?
Leah, we're trying to help you out, girl.
Keep up the good work, Mama.
All right, guys, let's go.
Beating Bobby with pork chops and applesauce will prove that the student can become the master. So I pull out my pork chops.
So many amazing techniques. Did you learn these from Bobby?
Not the vacuum sealer. He's a little bit more old school.
Aha. Hear that, Bobby? You're old school.
I don't have any idea what you're talking about. I'm brushing my spice rub on the pork right before grilling it. It's gonna give me a really nice crust.
All right, you guys, you have 20 minutes left.
How's it going?
It's going really good over there. Old school versus new school.
There is definitely some high-tech cooking happening on Leah's station.
He's using really big flavors, though, as he tends to do.
For the smoked apple relish, I'm brunoising my apples, which means a really, really small dice. I'm also adding in celery and parsley.
Leah's putting honey into her relish. Is that a Bobby thing?
That's Bobby 101, is make sure you have sweet with your savory.
The smoking gun is a super cool tool. I seal it so it could just absorb the flavor.
She's pulling out a lot of tricks.
Absolutely.
Bobby and Leah, now we're going to introduce you to your judges. The owner of Veselka, Tom Burchard.
The president of the James Beard Foundation, Susan Ungaro.
And the executive chef of Shaya Restaurants, Elan Shaya. Okay, judges, pork chops and applesauce. Please start with the plate in front of you.
The chop was cooked perfectly, still pink inside, moist, but I don't feel really that the puree is adding anything to the dish.
I did think that this puree was one flavor too many, but I especially loved smoked apple relish. I would have liked more of that, actually.
I love when a pork chop has something bright and fresh going on with it, and I think the apple relish provided that. A really great contrast to the pork chop.
Thank you, judges. Please swap your plates.
The chop was caramelized very nicely. The only thing I missed is a little more brightness on the plate, sort of like the first dish.
It's rubbed with that adobo spice, which really adds a lot of layers of flavor. And I was really surprised how much I liked the apple chili combo.
This is certainly not the pork chop and applesauce I had as a kid. But I really love this chutney. If anything, I'd like a little more sweetness.
All right, judges, it is that time. Please take a vote.
We both did a really good job cooking the pork chops. So it's gonna come down to what we did with the apples. No matter what happens, I'm very proud of Leah.
The judges have voted, and the winner is Bobby Flay.
It's a little hit to the ego, but I think I gave him a run for his money.
Ultimately, the chili and apple chutney is what made the difference.
You did Bobby proud. You did all of New Jersey proud.